Welcome back, friends, to my YouTube channel. Today I am recording a short video on LIC IPO. LIC IPO is a long awaited IPO. As we all know, LIC is the largest life insurance company in our country. This is the first life insurance company having a very wide network. It's 100% owned by Government of India. Government of India is selling 3.5% of stake in LIC, and the issue has started today. So let's move forward and understand about this IPO. Does it make sense to apply? And if yes, what we should be doing and how we should be utilizing the different options. I am not going to get into the financials and details of this IPO because that has been discussed a lot in different newspapers and also in different news channels. So what I'll do is I'll pick up some data and very quickly browse through it and tell you what we should be doing and how we can utilize different options which are available to different type of investors. So let's get going. LIC IPO, as we all know, was scheduled to come in last fiscal year, but due to Ukraine-Russia war, it got postponed. Now it is on and today it has started. So it is going to go till Monday. So it's very important to understand very quickly a little bit of financials. If you look from March 19 to March 21, the total assets has been continuously growing. So is the case of total profit. 3 quarters of 21-22, LIC has made a profit of 1750 crore, which is decent. The numbers are very comparable to other insurance companies in our country. So let's discuss some of the details about LIC IPO. IPO opens today, 4th of May, and its closing is 9th May. Basis of allotment shall be finalized by 12th May, and refund, if any, will be given back on 13th. Credit of shares will happen in the demat account on 16th, and the IPO is likely to get listed on 17th of May 2022. Before I proceed, I like to tell you this is purely from educational purpose. Before investing in the stock market, IPO is a activity in the stock market. Do consult your investment advisor or study yourself. How much one can apply? This is very important. There are different categories. There are categories of retail investor, employees and policyholders. Each one of them has got certain pros and cons which I will discuss later. So minimum lot size is of 15 shares and the amount on 15 shares appears to be 14,235, and for a retail investor or employees or policyholders, you can maximum lot, you can apply 14 lots, which is 10 shares, 1,99,290 rupees. Normally, SEBI mandate says that the moment you hit 2 lakhs threshold, you are no more a retail investor. You will become a sort of HNI. So for your own patting your head as a HNI, you may like to put applications larger than that. But for retail benefits, you have to put the application which is lower than 2 lakhs. So different categories of application which are possible, HNI. So let's skip this. This is for those who have got a lot of money and big applications can be put. Retail, your application size has to be less than 2 lakhs, and as I mentioned to you, maximum 14 lots you can apply. And as you know, this will be by draw of lot. So normally SEBI mandates that first each investor, if possible, should be given 1 lot. If there are more applicants, then it comes draw of lot. And if you put a bigger application, then it doesn't make sense unless everybody is getting 1 lot at least. You won't get any allotment. In the case of employee and policy holders, both will be proposed date. And it is very interesting to know that in case of all 3 categories, there are some discounts on the price. So all the price which is likely to be fixed is 949, but 45 rupees per share discount is there for retail category, 45 for employee and 60 for policy holders. So finally, if you get allotment, you will get at the rate of 904 under retail category and employee category and 889 in case of policy holders category. today at about 1:30 already, retail got subscribed 0.43 times, employee 0.16 times, and policyholder 1.36 times. So it looks like that it is going to be a heavy subscription. I suspect that policyholders should be subscribed around 8 to 10 times, and retail also should go about 5 times in my opinion. It's just a speculation. I have no basis of telling you, but I'm just guessing that. So retail about 5-6 times and policyholder 8-9 times should be the subscription. So in that case, what you should do? There are a couple of questions here. All of us can be a retail investor. So one application you can put under retail category. If you are not working with LIC, you cannot be employee of LIC. But certainly if you are holding a policy of LIC, as on the cutoff date in Feb, which was 23rd of Feb, and you have a linked PAN number, you can put an application under policyholder category as well. So at least non-LIC employee are entitled to place 2 applications, one under retail category and one under policyholder category. Now each one of the application, the question comes how big application you should put. So since the policyholders category is going to be proportionate allotment, so I recommend here that put the maximum money which you can put here. So let us say if you have 2 lakhs of rupees, then you should put 14 lots of application in policyholders, and retails, I think you can wait for 1 or 2 days and then see how the category is growing. If you see subscription to be more than 4-5 times, then just put only 1 application, 1 lot only. And so that you optimize your fund and then get appropriate allocation. The grey market premium on LIC as of today is around 85 rupees per share. This means 949 plus 85. So this means if you get an allotment in the retail category, you are likely to get about 85 plus 45. So which is 130 rupees per share listing benefit likely to be. And in case of policyholder, this could be 145 per shares benefit. So this means per lot, if you are allotted 1 lot, so around 2000 rupees you will get as a retail investor, and policyholder case it could be 2200 or so. So therefore guys, it appears very, very interesting. And even though you sell on the time of listing, at the time of listing you can make a decent gain. So get going, put an application first in policyholders, try putting maximum in policyholders, and retail at least 1 or 2 lots application you can put. One more clarification I like to add here. Demat account can be the same. There is no need of separate demat account because these are all linked to the PAN numbers. The system will automatically find if you are holding a policy as on record date based on your PAN number, if you apply under policyholder category, and you will get allocation. Similarly, retail category also allocation can come in the same demat account. So you should have just a demat account linked to your PAN number and a policy linked to the PAN number. If you have that, then 1 application you can put under policyholders category and 1 application under retail category. So as you have seen that it appears that this issue is very interesting. So please go ahead, put an application. Don't forget putting application in policyholder if you hold a policy. That should be the first priority. Put a bigger application under policyholder. As you know, as I have mentioned earlier, the maximum size could be 14 lots, like 1,99,000 something in policyholder category. And in case of retail category, your attempt should be to put at least 1 lot applications. You can put 2-3 lot application also, because as per SEBI mandate, everyone shall be allocated at least 1. So in case of oversubscription, even though you put a higher value application in retail category, chances of big allocations is not there, because that will be withdraw of lot. So I hope you got some basics of LIC IPO. All the best for allotment against your applications. Get going and apply there. If you like the video, do circulate this video to your friends and colleagues. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and like commenting, because just on your comment I keep on bringing new videos. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.